Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be reviewing the DJI OM Mobile 4. Now this is a smartphone gimbal or stabilizer, as you can see. So we're just going to do a quick unboxing of it just to show you what you get. As you can see in the back, you have a little magnetic feature, meaning you can quickly take it off and then put it back on, hence magnetic quick mount. It's portable, active track, it has a quick roll, gestures, and a story mode feature. So these are just some of the highlights. There's way more in the app. To download the app, which is on both platforms. On the right hand, you have your SKU number and other information. And then right here, you have the DJI Care Refresh. You have to activate it within 30 days of purchasing, and you get 2 replacements for 1 year. So let's get into it. On the top, you just have some quick information on how to do it. So you have step 1 for the magnetic mount. And then step 2, you can take it off, make it portable. Step 3, you can just show you how to turn it on. And step 4, download the app. So on the top, it says create magnetic moments. On the right side, it does come with the suede bag, so you're able to carry it and travel, which is really helpful. You also have a wrist strap. You can use this for basically the gimbal and then put it around your wrist, obviously. And then in here, you just have all your documentary information, as well as some installation for your magnetic little thing. And as you can see, some warranty and some regulatory information. So that's what's in there, and we're gonna go ahead and move this. We have the tripod right here, and you can go ahead and screw this on the bottom of the gimbal, and I'll show you in a minute. And you can basically just mount it, and then you can activate the gesture, and then you can follow you around. It's pretty cool. So it's DJI branded. You have some rubber feet, really high quality plastic. You can also use it as an extended handle, or maybe if you want to use 2 hands for some reason. I don't know. It just has really good support. On the left side, you do have a USB type C to USB A charging cable, which is really cool that it's modern. And then on the right side, obviously, you have your gimbal. So as you can see, this is magnetic. So you can put this on your phone and then clamp it in the spot. It's really strong. Make sure these dots right here line up. There's a dot right here on the device. So you just make sure they line up. It'll be good. It'll tell you in the app if it's inserted wrong. A little camera position. So you put the cameras facing towards this side, on this side. So this is it. Just open it like so. So right here you have some nice grip. So you'll be able to comfortably put it in your hand. On the back, you have several options. Press and hold to be able to stabilize it completely in one position. It's called a lock mode, so you can look directly at an object, lock it in place, and then move around. I'll show you in a clip. On the right side, you have the USB Type-C charging port. And then right here, I believe you can go ahead and charge your device. So this acts as like a mini power bank. On the left side, you have a zoom in, zoom out rocker, so you can be able to zoom in on the app. And then right here you have a record/picture, just a shutter button basically. Right here you have a mode/on and off button. You can double tap it to orient it vertical or horizontal. And then right here you have a little joystick, I guess you can say. And you can move this however you want. You can change the settings in the app. So if you want to do a 360 turn around, or if you want to do left, right, up, down, you can do however you want. And then right here you just have some battery indicators as well. And now it's into pairing mode. Once it's completely set up, it'll stay on one color. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what that looks like, and I'll be right back. Alright, so first things first, we're gonna go ahead and open up the DJI Memo app, and then we're gonna go ahead and turn on the device. And then since mine's already paired, it's gonna already pop up on the top left. Place it in here the correct way. As you can see, like so, the camera is facing that way. Alright, now let's double tap the back to orient it perfectly, and then we can go ahead and click the top left. Alright, and now we are in video mode. So as you can see, you can move it. My screen's a little dirty, let me clean it. Alright, there we go. I have a better position. I use the tripod. As you can see, we're gonna go ahead and orient it. There we go. I'll go ahead and screen record off this so I can show you. Alright, as you can see, we're basically recording. As you can see, the little flash. But we're going to go ahead and do, so I don't have to do a voiceover later. As you can see, we have flash here in video. So you can turn on the flash. You can do always on. You can do white balance. You can change the balance of light. You can put a grid. You could do the grid lines, grid plus diagonals, etc. And then you could do selfie flips, so much other stuff. You have zoom speed, which is obviously right here, left and right. You can zoom in. And then you can change that to go fast or slow. I'm just going to keep it right around the middle. And then you can do the control stick speed, which is basically this little analog stick here. You can change it to fast, medium, or slow. I have it on fast, so it's just better. And then right here you can have the control stick direction. You can do horizontal and vertical or free, so basically 360. You have invert pan control, invert tilt control. Press M for certain settings. You can calibrate the gimbal, so it'll be, calibrated. And then right here you can have a alignment tool. So right here you can control the ISO. So the ISO's right here. You can increase it, and then you can also do the shutter speed. Right now it's on auto. You can change it yourself if you would like. So for photography, which is a lot more helpful because not the original camera for iPhone doesn't allow you to do that. So yeah, you can change that however you want, like a DSLR. And then right here you have the resolution and frame rate. I have it at 4K 60 FPS. For photo, you can do glamour effects, so you can do like smoothen your skin, lighten, enlargen, and do all that other effects, which is helpful. And then you also have slow motion. So this one, basically how it is, it only shoots in 1080p sadly. Right here you have a desired effect, so you can move in or move out. This is good for B-rolls, which is really good. You have time lapse, obviously. And then you have a hyperlapse, which is for like highways and just for really good time lapses basically. And then you also have pano, which is normal. And then right here you have story, which is basically like a preset that you can go ahead and change and do whatever you want. So you have a custom story, which you can make yourself, obviously. These change every so often, but right here you have a Happy New Year for Chinese New Year's. Right here you have a Spring Festival, Urban Landscape. Some of these stay forever, but some of them are added based on the holiday. Right here, call it afternoon. And you can make a video basically just like this with the transitions and movements. It'll automatically do it for you, and it's really, really easy to do. I'll go ahead and demonstrate that later. Right here, back to the 80s, so it'll do the same filter and everything like that. Afternoon, it'll do all the, you can edit the text and do whatever you want to do. Like I said, you can do the custom stories, so you can combine a few of them if you would like, and then change the fonts and everything like that. Right here you have enjoyment, movie, sports, jazz. It'll do everything. It'll shake the camera and add shaking effects and stuff like that. It's really cool. This one's 180-degree recording. It is party. Right here we have inspire, so leisure time, shake, and basically will transition. This is what I'm talking about. Lively, cut, fashion, and leisure. I'm gonna go ahead and do fashion because it's the easiest. So let's go ahead and do this real quick. So all you can do is press the record button and it will automatically angle it. So you just have to make a little video, and then you can go ahead and press next. And then you can shoot the next clip. So let's go ahead and just press the button, and then we can go ahead and do that. And then I can go ahead and do this. So we can go ahead and clip that. And it's really easy, so I can make this within less than 30 seconds, and then you can automatically have a really cool clip. So like a video montage for anything. And as you can see, this is the preview. We're gonna go and look at it. Yeah, something as simple as that turned into really, really good clip. So it's, and you can obviously edit out the DJI, just cut it, cut the video. But yeah, it's really easy. I love that story mode. But other than that, I really like this. It's really helpful. And as you can see, you can zoom in, obviously, zoom out on the fly, which is really helpful. So you don't have to ever really touch with two hands. You can easily do it with one hand, hence why I'm using another phone to be able to record it. But yeah, it's really cool. So I'm gonna go and get the thumbnail and we are done. Yes, I needed to get rid of that Sprite can. But thank you guys for watching. If you guys do want to buy this product, the link will be in the description if you would like to purchase, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.